Hello my friends, this time I have a compilation of videos of mango worms in the dog's bowls. Oh worm, this is a great squeeze to get all the larvae out of the dog's bowls. Oh worm, oh, a great squeeze. These dogs infested with parasites on the skin are possibly strays. This dog was found on the street with severe damage by this kind of parasite. Here the doctor has to squeeze very strong in order to get out all the worms from the dog's body. Mango worms is a nasty parasite that eat the animal from inside. Mango worms is a nasty parasite that eat the animal from inside. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like it.